Okay, when changing the oil in a 2017 Acura RDX, the oil filter and the 17 millimeter oil plug are both on the passenger side underneath. Very easy access. I'm not going to go into actually doing that. That's pretty basic. But when you're up here in the engine, top off fluids here, windshield wiper fluid. Here's your cap here. I actually use 2 funnels at once to pour the oil so you're not spilling it all over. And there's your brake fluid right there. And then there's 2 clips, one here, one there. You just pop those open and your air filter will actually slide out from there and you can inspect and replace it. Okay, to reset your oil light inside your 2017 Acura RDX, first of all, the latch for the hood's down here by the oil, or not the oil, the gasoline latch, and if you search around there, you'll find it. But anyway, we're going to go over here without your foot on the brake. Keep your foot off the brake. Press this, start engine twice. Okay. And you're up there. We can see that we need some service that engine here. Okay, we're going to go around vehicle settings and we're going to scroll down until we find maintenance info. That's where we want to be, and we're going to go one more. Boom. Scroll up to reset, and it's been reset is complete. And that's all there is to it. Press the start engine once more with your foot off the brake, and voila, everything turns off. There you have it. So simple.